Welcome to a new spring centerpiece. Place all the materials you want to use on the table, and let's get started. Make sure you water your oasis well. Don't push it down, let it slowly fill up. First, I placed 2 pins on the surface. Use 2 pins because 1 pin will make your centerpiece unstable. Make sure your surface is dry, otherwise the oasis will come loose. Put the wet oasis on place and tighten it. Then we start with taking almost every ground and roots from the bulbs. I've used daffodils, but you can use any bulb you like. So you can use muscari tulips or hyacinths also. I cut out a little oasis on each place I want bulbs in my spring decoration. I've used different varieties of daffodils so it will be a colorful delightment when they bloom. Now it's time to cover the sides of your spring arrangement. I used dried banana leaves here, which I secured with staples. Of course, you can find all the materials I use in the description of this video. Fill the holes you still see in the oasis with moss. Use pussy willows and bow them around your centerpiece. I'd also use bunches of dried thyme. And add a dried thistle. Use decoration like feathers or eggs or quail eggs. I'd also use skeleton leaves. You can use what you like. Here I decorate it with a variety of eggs. Skeleton leaves are also a nice and soft addition for your centerpiece. With a glue gun you can easily glue them onto the staples so that you no longer see them. Add some more eggs for the Easter magic. And there it is, your own homemade centerpiece.